Slippery shoes!
Sorry! Slippery shoes caused me to collect it as well, so.
You're gonna hear slippery shoes a lot. That's gonna be
Slime
probably
a
the phrase.
bubble.
That's probably gonna be the phrase of this LP. Slippery shoes! Fuck!
Got it.
Slippery shoes! There's no slippery shoes here. I'm swimming.
Slippery swim.
World 1 down. Time to take our slippery shoes over to the desert.
Hope we don't slip on the way there.
Slip on some
Find out.
sand.
Oh!
Slippery shoes!
Oh, slippery shoes!
Because of slippery shoes. Just blame
Slippery
the shoes.
shoes.
It must be the shoes.
It must be.
Must be the shoes. Usually I'm the one
I'll be
who-
honest, I've been mellowish so far, except for slippery
Yeah,
shoes.
you
so-
actually have. Like, you've gotten more angry at the shoes than you ever got at me. I'll say that
Well,
one.
like I said, it must be the shoes.
Man, oh man.
Toad looks so proud. He's pulling up his pants.
They're falling down.
It's not just his shoes are slippery. His pants are slippery as well. So he's got to keep pulling them up.
Slippery pants?
Slippery pants.
That sounds disgusting. It will always be slippery shoes. Slippery!
Slippery shoes.
No, slippery ice.
Slippery ice.
Slippery shoes plus ice equals I hate. Fucking slippery shoes!
Propeller.
And it's already annoying enough getting used to slippery shoes.
It's already annoying enough getting a propeller in this game.
Slippery shoes. I'm sure someone's had a good time with that being out of context.
Slippery shoes. What kind of sexual situation can shoes be slippery?
Sexual? Why'd you bring sex into this?
Well, innuendo. It sounds like it could be an innuendo if you tried hard enough.
Slippery water.
Slippery water.
I keep slippery fucking shoes! I hate
Yeah, I just.
slippery shoes.
I think that's the calmest you have said slippery shoes all game.
Man, slippery fucking shoes. Yes! Oh
I-
my god, slippery shoes!
Same fight as
Do it.
before, just with slippery shoes.
Yeah, hitting that button would get rid of all of the
Slippery shoes.
3, 2, 1, go. Right, fucking slippery shoes. Ah, no! Fucking slippery shoes!
Nope.
Great attempt.
You know what? Literally the only word I can think of to say right now is slippery shoes.
Ah, springy shoe or whatever.
Slippery shoes.
Springy shoes.
Really?
Slippery shoes.
Alright, fair enough.
Oh, that's
Oh, that almost,
Thank
that
God.
almost became it twice.
Slippery shoes did not become you, John.